there's a dark underbelly to the future of language and augmented reality, at least the way it's built today. Let's talk about positioning and privacy. Augmented reality requires pinpoint 3D positioning for the experience to be shared. If we want to manifest some digital information in physical space and see it the same way, then our devices need to have a consensus about their relative position. But digital devices don't have an inherent understanding of their place in the world, and the GPS can only tell the device what vicinity it's in, and it doesn't work indoors, and it doesn't work in dense environments. To solve the problem of positioning, everyone from Tesla to Apple, from ByteDance to Snap, has turned to the camera. By comparing the visual feed of your device to the centralized databases of these companies, your device can recognize its position. But this means that big tech is looking through our eyes. And soon, the transition from handhelds to wearables will mean that the cameras are on our faces. And that's the plan. AR is an inevitable improvement to our way of communicating with each other, but big tech is plotting to own the very infrastructure of the future of language. Our cognitive liberty is at stake.